Are you yearning for a change of scenery but feeling constrained by your budget? Fear not, dear traveler, for we have the ultimate guide to saving money on your next trip. Vacationing on a budget can be a daunting task, but with a bit of planning and creativity, you can indulge in all the sights, sounds, and flavors of your dream destination without breaking the bank. From researching the best deals on flights and accommodations to finding budget-friendly dining options and entertainment, we'll show you how to stretch your dollar further and make the most of your vacation. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to embark on an adventure that won't leave you strapped for cash. Your wallet and your wanderlust will thank you. Planning and research. When it comes to vacationing on a budget, planning and research are key ingredients to your success. Just like a chef carefully selects the freshest ingredients for a delicious dish, you too must carefully select the best deals on flights, hotels, and rental cars. One of the best ways to start your journey is by setting up price alerts on websites and apps that will notify you when prices for flights, hotels, and rental cars drop. This way, you'll be able to snag the best deals before they disappear. Another great way to save money is by being flexible with your travel dates. You might find great deals if you're willing to travel during the week instead of on the weekends, or if you can travel during off-peak seasons. You can also try to book your trip as a package deal through a travel agency or online travel website, which can save you money on flights, hotels, and rental cars. When it comes to accommodations, you can also explore alternative options like vacation rentals, hostels, or even camping. These options can offer great value for your money and give you a chance to experience the local culture in a more authentic way. In summary, by being creative with your approach and being open to different options, you'll be able to plan a budget-friendly trip that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Accommodations. When it comes to budget-friendly accommodations, the world is your oyster. From charming hostels and cozy vacation rentals to camping under the stars, the options are endless. Hostels can offer a budget-friendly option while still providing all the necessary amenities like a bed, shower, and toilet. Plus, you'll have the chance to meet fellow travelers and swap stories, making for a more memorable experience. Vacation rentals can also be a cost-effective option, especially if you're traveling with a group. Renting a house or apartment can save you money on meals and give you a more authentic experience by living like a local. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, camping can be a budget-friendly and unique option. It's also a great way to get close to nature, and you'll have the opportunity to see some of the most beautiful landscapes while saving money on accommodations. When it comes to finding the best deals, it's always a good idea to book in advance and be flexible with your travel dates. You can also check out websites that offer last-minute deals or special promotions. In conclusion, there are plenty of options for budget-friendly accommodations, and the key is to be open to different options and to do your research. With a bit of creativity and planning, you'll be able to find the perfect place to rest your head after a day of exploring without breaking the bank. Transportation. Transportation can be a significant expense when it comes to vacationing, but with a bit of creativity and planning, you can keep costs low and make your way to your destination in style. One of the most budget-friendly options for transportation is to use public transportation. Not only is it cheaper than renting a car or taking a taxi, but it can also be a great way to experience the local culture and see the city like a true local. Another cost-effective option is to rent a car, especially if you're traveling with a group. Not only will you save money on transportation, but you'll also have the freedom to explore the destination at your own pace. You can also check out websites and apps that offer carpooling or ride-sharing options, which can be a great way to save money and meet new people. When it comes to finding the best deals, it's always a good idea to book in advance and be flexible with your travel dates. You can also check out websites that offer special promotions or last-minute deals. In summary, transportation doesn't have to be a budget breaker. With a bit of creativity and planning, you can find budget-friendly options that will take you to your destination in style and comfort. So don't let transportation expenses hold you back from your next adventure. Hop on board and let the journey begin. Food and entertainment. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. When it comes to food and entertainment, a vacation can quickly add up. But with a bit of creativity and planning, you can indulge in delicious local cuisine and exciting activities without breaking the bank. When it comes to food, one of the best ways to save money is by eating like a local. Street food and local restaurants often offer delicious and authentic meals at a fraction of the cost of touristy restaurants. Another way to save money on food is to prepare meals yourself. If you're staying in a vacation rental or camping, you can cook your own meals and save money on dining out. When it comes to entertainment, one of the best ways to save money is by visiting free attractions such as parks, beaches, and public spaces. You can also take a self-guided tour, which can be a great way to explore the destination at your own pace and save money on guided tours. You can also check out websites and apps that offer discounts and deals on activities, dining, and entertainment. In conclusion, food and entertainment don't have to be a budget breaker. With a bit of creativity and planning, you can indulge in delicious local cuisine and exciting activities without breaking the bank. So go ahead and treat yourself to a memorable culinary experience and a fun-filled entertainment without worrying about the cost. Budgeting and budget tracking. When it comes to budgeting and budget tracking, a little bit of organization and discipline can go a long way. Just as a master chef carefully measures and tracks ingredients to create a delicious meal, you too must measure and track your expenses to ensure a budget-friendly vacation. The first step is to set a budget for your vacation and stick to it. Determine how much you can afford to spend and allocate your funds accordingly. Once you have your budget in place, you can start planning and researching your trip. One of the best ways to keep track of your expenses is by creating a budget spreadsheet. This will allow you to record all your income and expenses in one place and give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Another great tool is to use a budgeting app that can help you track your expenses and set reminders for upcoming payments. These apps can also help you categorize your expenses, making it easier to identify areas where you can cut costs. When it comes to budget tracking, you should also be mindful of hidden costs such as baggage fees, currency exchange rates, and taxes. By being aware of these costs, you can better plan and budget for them. In summary, budgeting and budget tracking are essential tools for a budget-friendly vacation. With a bit of organization and discipline, you can stay on top of your expenses and make the most of your budget without compromising on your dream destination. Off-season travel. Off-season travel can offer a multitude of benefits, such as lower prices on flights, accommodations, and activities. You'll also avoid the crowds, which can make your vacation more enjoyable and relaxing. Another advantage of off-season travel is that you'll have the opportunity to experience the destination in a different way. You'll have the chance to see the destination in a new light and discover hidden gems that may be overlooked during peak season. When it comes to finding the best deals, it's always a good idea to book in advance and be flexible with your travel dates. You can also check out websites that offer special promotions or last-minute deals. It's also important to research the destination and its weather patterns. Some destinations may have an off-season due to the weather, but it may not be the best time to visit. In conclusion, off-season travel can be a budget-friendly and unique way to experience a destination. With a bit of creativity, planning, and research, you'll be able to score great deals and create memories that will last a lifetime. So don't let peak season stop you from traveling. Embrace the off-season and discover the hidden gems of your dream destination. Pack smart. When it comes to packing for a vacation, less is often more. Just as a minimalist painter uses only a few strokes to create a masterpiece, you too can pack smart and make the most of your luggage space. One of the best ways to save money on baggage fees is to pack light. By packing only the essentials, you'll be able to avoid checked baggage fees and save money. Another way to save money is by packing versatile clothing items that can be dressed up or down. This will help you avoid overpacking and save space in your luggage. You can also save money by packing a reusable water bottle and refill it, rather than buying bottled water. This will not only save you money, but also help the environment. When it comes to packing, it's also important to consider the destination and its weather patterns. Research the weather forecast and pack accordingly. In summary, packing smart can save you money on baggage fees and unnecessary purchases. By packing light and versatile clothing items, you'll be able to make the most of your luggage space and enjoy your vacation without worrying about the cost. So pack like a pro and let the adventure begin. Use of credit card rewards and points. When it comes to vacationing on a budget, using credit card rewards and points can be a true game. Change your treasure. Just as a treasure hunter searches for hidden gems, you too can uncover valuable rewards and points by using the right credit card. One of the best ways to save money is by using credit card rewards and points to pay for flights, accommodations, and activities. This can help you save hundreds of dollars on your vacation. Another way to save money is by using credit card rewards and points to pay for dining and entertainment. This can help you indulge in delicious meals and exciting activities without breaking the bank. When it comes to maximizing credit card rewards and points, it's important to do your research and find the best credit card for your needs. You should also be mindful of the rewards and points expiration date and redeem them before they expire. It's also important to be mindful of the fees associated with credit cards and make sure to pay off your balance in full to avoid interest charges. In conclusion, using credit card rewards and points can be a budget-friendly way to save money on your vacation. By doing your research and being mindful of the fees, you'll be able to make the most of your rewards and points and enjoy your vacation without worrying about the cost. So, dig in and uncover the hidden gems of your dream destination. As your journey comes to an end, it's time to reflect on all the budget-friendly tips and tricks that you've learned. From planning and researching to budget tracking and off-season travel, you're now equipped with the tools to plan a budget-friendly vacation that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. You've learned how to find the best deals on flights, hotels, and rental cars, and how to explore alternative options for accommodations like hostels, vacation rentals, and camping. You've also learned how to save money on transportation and food, and how to make the most of your budget by using credit card rewards and points. You've also learned how to pack smart and how to budget tracking and how to make the most of the off-season. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.